How to play dice. The object of the game is to the player that has 10,000 points on the final round wins. How to play? Well, you would need is 6 dice and piece of paper. Players decide who to go first. To get started, you would need to have 1,000 points. The player that you guys decide to go first, if you have 2 ones, you put them aside and roll the remaining dice. You can stop at any time during your turn. If you have no remaining dice, you have to shake it again. The scores are determined. 5s are worth 50 points. 1s are worth 100 points. There are also specialty cards. If you roll 3 of a kind of any numbers, this is the following numbers. 1s are 1,000 points. 2s are 200 points. 3s are 300 points. 4s are 400 points. 5s are worth 500 points. 6s are worth 600 points. There are also, if you get a straight, so 1 to 6 in one roll, you get 1,500. When you reach 10,000 points, you are the winner. If you're under 400 points, you have to get exact 400 points. If you do not, that player has to re-roll the dice. So, if you already have your 1,000 points to start, you can also roll the dice, see what you get. If
And in Go Dogs for 1, add the total points if you roll a 1 or a 5.
you want to stop at 100, do so. If you don't, you guys can keep going and take a chance on whether you want to keep going or not. If you don't have any numbers that are in the category to play, you bust. And the next person gets a chance. If you stop, the next person can take a turn and take a chance on hiding your score or bust it. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me how you guys like the layout of this video. It took me a long time to film it, but we got this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye!